I know you activist and a climate change ke
Lack
maram
of
do and I focus the way.
government.
But what I want to say is that health crisis is climate crisis. Both of them is interlinked. It's all interconnected. Adugo mayam na jo yung request mayam to ko nida. I enjoy kis hati ka no honar ga.
I would like
Hati
to
ka
request-
collaborate ga. Pagi chairman jo we're very good friends. Chahi mayam dagi I enjoy ki hawrak fam je because of him I nagangasi yo jama I backbone ne and ako'y high-tech kapuna taraga high-tech medical college and hospitals kapuna taraga first of all ako'y na Lisipra fellowship ki makhada mana seats ampi ko ako'y various medical courses kita ako'y students mi am kita magta and then
Today
now we
we are
have moved to
gathered
the
here
health camp
for the
je ako'y
inauguration ceremony
mi am na
of high-tech
ato pa mapalom
innovation
outside
center.
Manipur da mo'y ki check up kita magta
Manipur.
treatment kita magta mi am chalita na ado bo hantak ti paisa do
Head
save to na ba
Sabram,
ako'y
opposite
super specialist
Hongzong
doctors
War
mi am
Memorial
treatment kita magchalito
Bhopal district.
ako'y imalibag Manipur daw na pura ado man to
We are here
simba
for
big
the
difference say in reality
inauguration
yam na hangna
function
ba to hadikti ore tana
of
ado man to mi am gi support jita
High-Tech
card si
Innovation
jita
Center.
adum support to view love and support view mi am
With
support jaw da di sam to
special
possible
mega
nate
help
ay na to
in
bj mi am kita mag tane mi am kita magta ado mana ay sa
Which is
nate
organized
natra
by
ado mana jo adum kanu hona jarke
Nisipriya
ay gi sa gi ay kanu hona jage ako gi malibag Manipur kita magta at sagad sari thank you
Thank you.
Thank you. She was my daughter, but now she is the daughter of this country, big nation India, and also our beloved state Manipur. So I dedicate my daughter to all my beloved people of Manipur and India. So she is doing her excellent work in the field of climate change and environmental activism as an exemplary child. Now she is almost 14 years old now. I am hoping, expecting her to do more in future, especially in the field of environment
in the year
and other, global issues. So I trust she will do more better and beautiful works in future. Like the Ekoi Manipur healthcare the pang thui ko different organization me am na adubu sumana mapa ta ki kawra pang to bu jamuta leitri ko history da ko mana mapa ngi doctor specialist ka na Singapore da puba doctor yauri sa US da pubu men ko na puna matam sana mo je hajer ro ya ka matam da puna hunda awa challenge ka tin gi adubu lai miam lai ngo phange free da miam gi operation me am jo free da to boi ko dong sa jo cancer ki khande kidney transplant ka de heart ki different me am jo ko dong sa phange ta re si ai di lai phobni ai sa gi personal kem kana phangde du pana phang sim praja miam ji miam gi support am changi ko na hona jari basta sum sing da na wa khalo na ma nam jana hona ga de ko ju mat bit ba hatte ki bi ai ta re ko du ninga na balai tra se wo du mon le tor hona di consider hogi wa kya da wa ba challenge kya thena gar ju miang loina satu na hai ta re chokot pa ko Manipur por ko da ko gi kudima contribution yam important no hai wa khalun da miam lai ba praja miam da lemna na lai ngi hiram sit sodan lai ba status Manipur sta de sina khitang oi ju mating oi ga hai wa khalun da khana to zo thank you so much my beloved people of Manipur Lisipia portion ka to da mai am ni je lising tholai ne ba is never expected so really surprised. And thank you so much. That's all I want to say. Your love and support means a lot to her and to her family. Your love is like a kind of